Hi, welcome to the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing some brown stew fish right here. I got fish frying. Look at that, beautiful, huh? I got scotch bonnet pepper inside. I got some bay leaf. Over here is the rest of the fish. Seasoning, some Old Bay, salt and pepper. Just that, I don't need more than that for that. Because we're going to cook it down later, okay? Brown stew fish. Yeah, look at that. Nice, huh? And I'm frying on charcoal, okay? Real charcoal, Jamaican style charcoal. Yeah, my way. Welcome back. We're still working on the brown stew. And the brown stew is going to be going with red bean, rice and peas, okay? So, red bean, normally what I do to it, I buy it from the store. You can get it in any store. Normally what I do, I wash it like 3 times with my hands. Then I put it in water to soak overnight. Okay? So this is gonna go into the brown stew that we plan to cook tomorrow. Okay? Alright. Hi, welcome back to the channel. We're finishing up now the brown stew fish, rice and beans right here. We have scallion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme. I'm not gonna put any bay leaf in here or any allspice seeds because I already have that into the fish already. So we're gonna go over here and dump it into the pot that's boiling. I just saw us earlier, we're frying the fish outside to make brown stew fish, you know, but this is the way I do it. I'm trying to do it with a different kind of twist to it. So I got some okras, I got coconut milk, I got thyme, bay leaf, peppers, onion, carrots, and some scallions. You know we never leave out the pepper, habanero, scotch bonnet. You know we always have to have it. So we're going to go ahead now and cut up the veggies. Okras, I'm just going to take the top off these. These ones going to go like that because I like them like that in this kind of brown stew I'm making. Okay, if it's too big, you can cut it in two. All right, and these are the okra straight from the garden. So you know they're going to be nice. Let's get into the carrot. If we can finish cut the okra later. You can julienne these or you can dice these. Okay? I kind of cut them on a bias so it's easy to cut in two. Instead of you have it round, it's more difficult. On a bias, it's much better to cut in two. Alright? Yeah, so that's that. So that. Some onions so you guys can see onion technique as well. Alright, let's cut some pepper so you guys can see what we're doing with the pepper as well. And with this, some people add potato, you know, to thicken up their brown stew fish. This one, no ketchup going in this one as well, okay? I'm going to use the coconut milk and the okra to thicken mine. So dump it in the pot. Normally what I do, I let this cook with the beans for like maybe 5 to 6 to 7 minutes, maybe 8 minutes, so I can extract some of the flavor from this. And this is the bean that we've been soaked in from last night. Okay, so it's cooked 20-30 minutes. Is ready to cook. And we got coconut milk that's gonna go inside it. And over here I have the rice that I washed 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, and drain it off. So we're gonna make this boil up for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna have the coconut milk. Then we're gonna let it boil for 2 minutes. Then we're gonna have the rice. And don't forget, season to taste. If you want a little bit of salt and pepper, but you gotta put a little bit of salt in there. This is good with salt because I already seasoned it prior to showing you this part of the video, okay? Alright, so now we're about to finalize the rice. Coconut milk already in. So we're gonna put the rice in. And this is a quarter rice. I normally cook a quarter rice. With the rice and peas now, it's a bit tricky. It's a bit different from when you're cooking like a regular rice, because you're not gonna sure to the amount of water you have in here. You're gonna have to judge it with eyes, okay? And everybody's supposed to know to cook rice. It's very easy to cook. It doesn't take long to cook. So when you look in your rice, and when you touch your rice with a spoon, if you can feel the rice closest to the spoon, you need more water, okay? This is the judge. Normally, you know what I'm saying, half an inch up from the spoon with water, okay? Yeah, so I'm stirring it up. You can see what it look how nice already, the coconut milk in there. All those herbs. Alright, so we over here now. I got some grapeseed oil in my pot. Not too much because I try not to cook with too much oil. So I'm gonna put in my ingredients inside. I got the pepper, the onions, scotch bonnet, scallion, thyme, bay leaf. The okras I'm gonna put in a little bit later. After I sweat this off for like 5 minutes. Because I want to sweat this off a little bit because it's gonna take longer to cook than the okra. And the okra, you can eat it raw as well, so you don't need to cook fully through. Always salt, and don't forget, you already salt the fish that we fried earlier, so we don't want to put too much salt in here, okay? So we're going to sweat this off for a minute. And while we're waiting for this, I want to show you the fish that we fried off earlier. That's the fish we fried off earlier already. I got some sinapa here. And I got a butterfish over there as well. So I like brown with butterfish, it's nice. That smells real good. It's getting together. And if you don't have any of these ingredients that we have right here working with, you can work with any ingredients. You know, if you don't have coconut milk, you know, you can use some of that coconut milk drink that they make in the store, or you can get coconut from the can and put it in there. This one is not from the can. I grated it earlier today and juiced it, so I have it in deck. One of these days I'm going to show you guys, you know, what we normally do it. But everything I do have a different little bit of twist from what we normally do in our country, okay? Alright, so now when the vegetable look like that, a little bit translucent, you want to add the okra, okay? Whip it up a little bit. Don't try this at home if you don't got the skills. Don't do that, okay? Don't want you to get burned. So that looks good. So what I'm gonna do, normally what I do, I move these over here, and then I add my fish on the bottom of the pan. Then I put these back on top. See that? things on top. See that? Simple little trick. Simple, but it make a world of difference. So now I'm gonna add my coconut milk. Don't forget, okay? This is with a twist. It's not a regular Jamaican brown stew fish, okay? You're gonna need a little bit of water in there as well. So we're gonna add a little bit of water as well. Okay? Add a little bit of water. So you know what? Let's put a pinch more salt. And because I'm doing the coconut milk in here, I didn't put any ketchup in it, okay? So we're gonna cover it down and let it simmer down. "10 minutes is ready, okay? Cover down on medium flames, let it simmer for 10 minutes, and then it's ready, okay? So yeah, so this is what the rice is supposed to look like. Nice and shelly. See that? Try not to eat the pepper, okay? I normally try to put the pepper on the side. That's the pepper right here. Try not to eat it, it's spicy. I can eat it, but you don't eat it. Yeah, see that? Shelly rice. Cook quick and it's very shelly. So you're gonna see the end product when we plate it up later, okay? Yeah. Yeah, alright, so this is the finishing touch. You wanna make sure the okra doesn't cook too much. They gotta still have a little bit of crunchy bite in it. And the fish is perfectly cooked, okay? And this is after 15 minutes on the fire. On the sauce, yeah, creamy. Creamy sauce because of the coconut milk. It smells really good as well. So this is gonna be going with some rice and peas. So we're gonna set the plate up and show you the end product, okay? This is the finishing touch on the brown stew with rice and peas. You know what we do all day, every day. Please share, like, subscribe, tell a friend. Chef Bouka is here again. So today this brown stew fish is a little bit different twist of brown stew because this brown stew fish is cooked down in coconut milk. So it's like a rundown brown stew fish. We got a lot of okra because you know okra play a part in everything we do. We got peppers, we got onions, we got the bay leaf and all that in there. We got the rice, that's right here, garnished with some nice flowers. And we got a little salad because in Jamaica normally they eat with a little salad, like coleslaw, but I'm not into that, so I make a little salad right here with arson lettuce, tomato, carrots. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, even tell another friend to tell a friend. Thank you.